believe it, we've never done this before at a picnic, but we're gonna need a volunteer from the audience. Oh, we got one right in front here. Miss Joy Dorco. Give it up for Joy. Go ahead and give her the wireless microphone there. And who's gonna play this? Jeremy and Mary are gonna play this one. So basically, Jeremy and Mary are gonna perform a scene, and Joy is going to provide all of the sound effects for the scene. So we're gonna need for Jeremy and Mary a
Dude, let's put her in.
test. Oh, it's working. Yeah, go ahead and sit on the stool right over here. Go on.
Relax. Let the mystery take you away.
So for Jeremy and Mary, let's give them a location.
Beach.
The beach. How about a relationship?
Frenemies.
Frenemies? Frenemies at the beach. And this is sound effects. You make the sound effects in the scene.
Jim, nice to see you here in the same bathing suit that I'm wearing.
Well, I can remedy that, Catherine.
Oh. Personal tankini split suit. Who do you think you are?
I think I'm the corn dog vendor. You know, Catherine, I keep a woman in there. Let me just put the kickstand down.
Sure.
Terrible kickstand.
Jim, I'm really happy that you have a job. Doesn't matter what's going on inside that car. I'm drinking a lot of laxative tea. This suit in front of you.
It's okay. Do you want another lax tea? I said.
Yes.
Here, I have some napkins. Kind of revealing.
Let's just move past that, you know?
Let's move
It's our
past.
day. It's our day here in Venice.
Catherine, I want you to know, since you left, I've been pedaling on this beach, not even on the pavement. And it's hard. Listen, it's hard. Let me put up the kickstand. I keep a woman down. It's hard to pedal on sand. I mean, just watch.
Yeah, you're thinking, be careful with this chain. Okay, come on. Okay.
Would you oil the chain? I'm sorry, the bike runs out of air.
It's ironic enough that I do have my training oil. So, bye with this.
Oh, that's a fancy new bag. Hey, this is one of those bags that's homemade. I'm sorry.
Well, I didn't make it. I got it on Etsy, but then you notice it.
It's made out of that bubble wrap. Sorry.
All of them. That's part of the joy of it.
I get it, but it doesn't do it when you set it down. Holy shit.
Color styles. I don't even know why we fought. I really don't.
I don't either. Catherine. No, Catherine. did come in like a porcupine. Catherine, oh yeah, you know how when you pet a boxer and those bumps come in? Sorry.
Why is my skin flushed right now? Are you wearing makeup? Are you?
Catherine, there's something I need to tell you. Let me get a stool for you to sit down.